Hello, welcome to Fat-Ruq Digital Academy. We'll be walking you through how to create Facebook page and how to create a Facebook page post engagement advert. So the first thing we are doing is we are creating a page. So once you log in your Facebook account on your computer, the next thing is click on this menu, then click on page. After that, give your page a name. My page name is Empress Footwears because I'll be dealing with shoes in this tutorial. Your category should base on what your business is all about. My business is all about shoes, footwears, so I can decide to type shoe and use shoe shop, or I should try to type footwears. Let's see if that is available. You can see there's no footwear except for shoe shop, so I'm going to select shoe shop. Then description of your page. After that, click on create page. After you click on create page, it will load a little bit, then ask you to upload profile picture and cover photo. So click on add profile picture. I have mine here. Then add your cover photo if you have one, but if you don't have, you can get a graphic designer to do it for you, or continue following our page where we'll show you how to create a graphic design. It's loading. This is my profile picture, this is my cover photo. After that, click on save, and you've created a page. Now quickly, we will set up our page for business. First, we need to add phone number to our page, add email address and other information, including our website if we have one. So now I'll scroll down on this menu, then go to edit page info. This is your page name, so try adding a username. It may not be available for new pages, and in your case it may be available. Empress Footwears. That page name is available and it has been saved. That is a unique identity for your page. Then phone number. Type your country into that space, select your country, then your phone number. After that, go to email address, add your business email if you have one. Then after that, add your website, followed by your location. If you have a location, add your address, I prefer using 234001. That is to generalize all location in Nigeria so they can easily find the location. Then after that, service areas where you can deliver product to. Type all the states where you can deliver to. After that, update your business hour. If it is always open, select always open. If it is open during some selected hours, maybe you have closing period and opening period, set it here. So I will select always open. You can bypass all this, then go to accounts. If you have an Instagram handle, add your Instagram, only your Instagram account. If you have WhatsApp, add your WhatsApp here, add your WhatsApp phone number. You can add as many accounts as possible. If you have a YouTube channel, you can add it here, Snapchat, Twitter, and so on. So with this, we are done setting up our page for business. So now we'll move into creating adverts. Now, if you want to run adverts, you can decide to create a post. Firstly, click on create posts. Information about your product should go here. Write the content which you want to use for adverts. Then click on add photos to add images or videos of your products. Select all the images, then upload. These are all the images. Then click on posts. Close this. Now, if you want to run adverts with these posts, all you need to do is click on boost post right below the post you just created. Then click on I accept if you are running advert for the first time. After that, we'll go into details of how to run adverts directly from your page here. The first thing here is goal. Let Facebook select the most relevant goal based on your settings. It's better you set your goal yourself. Do you want to get more engagement or you want to get more messages? If you click on get more messages, it means you are customizing your advert to set as an advert that people will send message to you on Messenger. I prefer using get more engagement simply because I want people to react, comment, and share my advert. With this, I'll be able to reach more audience, a more broad audience than just send message. Aside from that, aside from reaching more audience, I will also be able to get more sales. So I'm going to select get more engagement, but depending on what your advert is based on. My advert is to sell products and I want more people to see it. So I'm going to click on save. After that, select a button which you want to appear under your adverts, like the way it is appearing here. I can decide to say WhatsApp message, send message. Is either you use WhatsApp or you use message. So I will be using WhatsApp because I want people to come directly to my WhatsApp. Then I'll add my WhatsApp phone number. Once I click on confirm, a code will be sent to my WhatsApp. Then click on continue. This means I will be able to send people to WhatsApp. So by default, you've also added this WhatsApp number to your page. Now, under special ad category, if you are running adverts, maybe based on economy, civil or social rights, election, or political figures or campaigns, that's when you select this. But because I'm running adverts to sell my product, I'm not running a special ad category. So the next thing is audience. Click on edit audience to specify the audience you want to target. Now I want my advert to reach more women because I want to run adverts based on female footwear. Then the age that I want to place on the advert, that I want to see the advert should be between, let me say, 28 to 44. Do your due diligence whenever you want to run adverts to know which age range, which gender need your product more, and place your adverts, target your adverts based on that audience that needs it more. So location, if you can only reach people in Lagos, Ogun State, or Lagos and its environs, then select Lagos State and its environs. But if you can reach the whole of Nigeria, put Nigeria. Because I'm selling products, I want to reach the whole of Nigeria. After that, click on Nigeria as a country. Make sure you're not selecting another country aside from Nigeria. So once you select a particular location, a map with blue outline will appear on this map area, showing the area or the particular place you've targeted. So because I target the whole of Nigeria, that's why I have this map appearing, this Nigeria map appearing. Now if I go ahead and add more location, let me say maybe Ghana. If I add Ghana, you will notice that on the map, Ghana will also appear. So which means I'm targeting both Ghana and Lagos and Nigeria, sorry. If I go ahead and target, add more location by adding, let me say, Cameroon. Country. The map of Cameroon will also appear on this map area. Cameroon is more closer to Nigeria. So now, if I'm done targeting my location, the next thing is to save my audience. So which means I'm targeting people living in this country, Cameroon, Ghana, Nigeria, between the age of 28 to 44, and gender should be female. After that, scroll down to duration. How many days do you want your advert to run? You can decide to say 10 days. And the minimum budget you want to set per day will determine how much should be here. If you want to run adverts based on 1000 naira per day, then the total budget is going to be 10,000 naira. Meaning, on daily basis, you are running adverts with 1000 naira. So at the end of 10th day, you will have spent 10,000 naira. Now, this is showing you that if you are running adverts with 1000 naira per day, you will reach an estimated audience of 1,200 people to 3,300 people. The minimum which you will reach per day is 1,200 people, while the maximum is going to be 3,300. Well, based on your pockets or your budgets, that should be what will determine how much you want to use to run adverts. After that, click on, if this is your first time, click on add payment method. This is the final stage if this is your first time. But if you've run adverts multiple times on Facebook and you want to set a paid post engagement advert, you won't have to go through this anymore. Location and currency. Country or region is Nigeria. The currency is Naira, while the time zone is Lagos time, which is GMT plus 01. Then click on save. By clicking on save, it will bring a page where you are going to select the option of payment method. It's either you add a debit or credit card, or you use Naira payments with MasterCard or Visa, or PayU via PayU platform. Now, any of these two is still the same way. You are paying Facebook for adverts, but the difference between adding a debit or credit card and Naira payments with MasterCard or Visa is this. If you add a debit or credit card, it means you are setting your payment method to be a postpaid method, which means you run adverts over some amount of Naira. After the threshold, it is called threshold. That amount of Naira or dollar which Facebook is going to give you is called threshold. Once you reach your threshold limit, the money will be deducted from your account, from the card which you added automatically. By so doing, Facebook is going to increase your threshold limit. Your threshold limit may start with $2, or in Naira currency, it may be 700 Naira. If you pay 700 Naira for the first time, Facebook may as well increase your threshold to 1,500 Naira. And once you pay your 1,500 Naira again, it will increase it. And before you know, you are having a large threshold, maybe 25,000, 100,000 or thereabouts. But the maximum ad spend per day which is allowed on Facebook on daily basis is $100 if you are in Nigeria. So if you are adding Naira payment, it means you are not saving your card on Facebook. Whenever whatever amount you had using PayU will be what will be your payment wallet. So which means once you exhaust the amount in your wallet, your advert will stop. So I encourage people to use debit or credit card. But if you are having challenges adding your debit or credit card, then go ahead and add payments using PayU. So I'm going to click on debit or credit card. Click on next. Then input the name on your card bar. Then expiry dates, followed by the 3 digits at the back of your card. Once you are done adding all the correct information, click on save. Okay. Card successfully saved. After that, click on done. Once you add your card successfully, you'll be able to see some information about your card here. So it means you are making payment with this card. Now, before I move on, placement. Where do you want your advert to be shown? Facebook, Instagram. You can let the two to be checked. If you are running adverts using send message objective, then Messenger will be available. Because we are using WhatsApp, that's why Messenger is not available. So this means our adverts will only be shown on Facebook and Instagram. After that, I have some issues, which is this. Ads that direct to WhatsApp can be created after several weeks of following our policy. Because of my account is new to Facebook or Facebook advertising, I can't send people to WhatsApp. For this reason, I will go ahead and change my button to send message. So which means that message will be cleared up. Click on boost posts. Your ad is being submitted. It will undergo review. After the review, it will be approved. You will receive a message letting you know that your ad has been approved. Now, how do we monitor our adverts? Close this, refresh your page, scroll to your posts, then you'll be able to see the status of your adverts. Boosted so date and is in review. Once this advert undergo review and it is in line with Facebook advertising policies, the next thing you will see active. If it is active and maybe you want to pause it or you want to stop the adverts, you can decide to turn on and off the button. And now my advert has been approved. You can see this is the number of people reached, and this is the engagement I've gotten. Finishes in 10 days. I can go ahead and click on view results. Now, when you click on view results, you can be able to turn off your adverts from here. It is active. You can change your budgets, then also do as more other settings here. You can change your card, edit your location which you are targeting, and the gender and the age range. From here, you can do a lot of things. Now, if you want to turn off your advert or you want to pause it, all you need to do is click on pause. When you check that button, pausing your ad, then instead of active, it will be paused. If you are ready to run the advert again, click on this button, then it will resume your advert, then your advert is active again. So because of the practical purpose, I have to run this advert and show you how it runs. So I will have to turn it off. And that's all. So if you are running 8 post engagement adverts, this is how to manage and handle it. See you in the next class.